Hey everybody, welcome back to Cadillac Garage tonight. So we're just continuing on with the breakdown of all this. Kind of losing light, so I've got a shop light out here, but he's getting the rest of everything off. We'd like to get the heads to the shop on Monday, hopefully. The guy's waiting for them. So hopefully have this job done rather quickly and have this car go back to being drivable. That was a little bit of a mess, huh? We're gonna have to clean that up. But we're getting there bit by bit. Alright, so every night he's chipping away at a little bit more. Some of this stuff I'm not strong enough to do. I do what I can, but a lot of it I'm not strong enough to do. But we're actually going to be pulling out the whole motor. And we're just going to kind of freshen everything up. We're going to check the timing chain, do a rear seal, just check everything and make sure everything's kosher. We're not sure if it needs a head gasket yet, but obviously when the heads get done, that'll get fixed anyway, so that's fine. But I got the radiator out tonight, among other things. So we'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So he's made a lot more progress. Want to explain what you were saying?
So the machine shop was saying with that kind of compression and stuff, to probably have a burnt valve. As you can see, these two cylinders, part of the exhaust valve is actually burnt away. So that'll be two new valves there. The combustion chambers, I mean, this engine looks very low miles to me. There's hardly, I mean...
Well, it was rumored that the mileage was correct and accurate, and it's showing like 34,000 some miles.
Look at the pistons. They don't even have carbon on the top of them.
I'll go to the other side.
And the ring, the cylinders don't have like hardly any lip at all worn into them. But I mean, that's
Nice.
For a 67-year-old motor. That's like extremely clean.
Cool.
Yeah, they just had really good gas all its life. So I'm about to pull the other one off, and I'm sure that one valve in the back will be the same on number 7.
Okay.
Yep. See that?
Mm-hmm.
That's what's called a burnt valve.
Okay. Cool.
Head gaskets aren't blown because they had really good gaskets back in the day. These are original gaskets.
Oh, wow.
Yep. There's a gray. This must be some kind of oil additive that they had in the motor. Just causes it to look really weird. For a second, it looks suspect to have water in the oil, but it just seems probably some sort of additive in the oil.
Cool. It is very clean on the inside.
I mean, look at the pistons. Don't even have any carbon built up on them.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Well, it sure had a lot of pep to it when we drove it those few times before we discovered the problem. It sure had a lot of get up and go.
Yeah, even with 3 burnt valves.
I know, right?
3 cylinders that weren't doing anything.
Yeah, so I imagine what it'll drive like when it has all of them working.
Well, the rest of the cylinders had very good compression.
Mm-hmm. All right, so that's it for this video. We just keep moving on, slow and steady. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this is kind of just going to be a collaboration video as we pull the motor out of the Gotham Gold 59 here. Go ahead. What have you been up to today?
So before we can lower the car back down, roll it forward and pull the block out. When you take the starter off and the flex plate cover to separate the transmission from the flex plate, you have 4 bolts, 4 nuts that hold on 1/2 inch that hold the flex plate to the flywheel. So you can just, without the heads or anything, the motor rotates real easy. You just take the 4 nuts off and then your transmission will separate. It will sit on the cross member, so you don't have to worry about the tranny going anywhere. And we'll be able to lower it down, pull the motor mounts, and yank the block.
Gonna finish cleaning it up, and probably, I don't know if we've decided, we're most likely gonna paint it, I'm sure, you know, doing all this. But anyway, probably touch up our engine compartment a little bit. Obviously not the yellow part, but probably the black parts. But yeah. All right, here we go.
One more step.
Yep.
Okay.
And with that, it's going to be a little bit of a break for the day. It is extremely humid outside. Very humid, hot. So I think we're done for the afternoon. Got some cleanup to do in a little bit, but it's out. Going to be taking it to the engine shop tomorrow.